Everybody, I'm sorry, but my last video got cut off. I'm just going to quickly finish right now. As I said before, we have 16 ounces and we have 16 pounds and we're turning them into ounces. Once again, we write the relationship on the bottom. Okay, we always make the bigger unit into something smaller because I can take a loaf of bread and crumble it into little pieces, but I can't always take crumbs and make them into a loaf of bread. I always want to be multiplying. I can always multiply, but I can't always divide. So I'm going to multiply the 1 times the 16, and then I'm going to do 16 times 16, and 16 times 16 over here. That's a 36. That's a 6, and then a 9, and then we have a 0. You can cross out the 3. Then that's going to be a 6 and a 1. And then that's a 6, that's a 15, and then that's a 2. So our answer is 256. That means that 16 pounds is 256 ounces. And that is greater than 246 ounces. So 16 pounds is greater than 246 ounces. I'm just going to erase. And now we're going to do pounds to tons. Okay, pounds to tons. Okay, so I'm going to write it up here. We're going to convert the tons because tons is bigger than pounds. I can always make something bigger, smaller, but I can't make small things always bigger. So I'm going to convert the 4 tons into pounds. I write the units, the same units on the bottom, tons and pounds, and I look at the relationship. I know that 1 ton is equal to 2,000 pounds. How do I go from 1 to 2,000? I'm going to multiply by 2,000. So I'm going to do the same thing here, times 2,000. So 4 times 2,000 is 8,000. So now I know that 4 tons is also 8,000 pounds. That means that 4 tons is greater than 7,500 pounds. So I'm going to write it here. How I'd read it is 7,500 pounds is less than 4 tons. I hope that everybody understands. Please remember that if you can always email me with any questions that you have, jrothman@rsag.org. We can set up a meeting if you need to. Have a lovely night, and I hope everybody stays healthy.